Hello everyone, welcome to Collegewali PADHAI. Subscribe the YouTube channel before starting the second episode of German. So today in this video, last time the video about German was all about introduction to German pronunciation and some words that are related to our practical life. But today we are going to learn alphabets of German. Just like ABCD we learned in English, same ABCD is there but in a different manner. So let's get started. I've chose the black color over here. Let me move the screen. Zoop. Yeah. Let me write A, B, C, D. First, let us start with all this. We write A in English, but in German, it's not A, it's A. Spelling is A-H. In English, we say B, but in German, we say B. Not that wala bay, it's bay. And in English we say see, but in German we say to say, T-S-A-Y. It is say, T will be silent, and for D, it is the most simple day. So A is pronounced as B is pronounced as bay, C is pronounced as say, D is pronounced as day. So moving on to the next one, E, F, G, H, I. So what we can someone just say what we can say for E? Any guesses? Actually for A it is and for E it is A. Simple. For E in German they say A, and for F it is F. Means you put more pressure on F. If. And for G it is K, and for it H it is Ha, and for I it is I. For I it is means spelling it is EEH. So let me repeat. For A, for E it is A. For F it is F, means more emphasis on F, EFF. Then for G it is K. For H it is Ha. I it is Then we will get continued. For J, the Germans call is as Yach. Yach. For K, it is Ka. For L, it is L. The spelling is EL. For M, it's M. For N, it's N. EN. This is almost same. So let me repeat. For J, it is Yach. For K, it's Ka. For L, it's L. For M, it's M. For N, it's N. So let's move ahead. For O, it's same O. For P, it's pay. For Q, it's ku. For R, it's er. For S, it's s. So let me repeat. For O, it's same as the English one, O. For P, it's pay. For Q, it's ku. For R, it's er. For S is s. For T, can anyone guess what we can write? For T, it's stay. For U, it's U. For V, it's for. For W, it's a way. For X, it's X. So let me repeat. For T, it's tay. For U, it's U. For V, it's for. For W, it's a way. For X, it's X. Let's move ahead. For Y, it's ypsilon. For Z, it's dissect. So now we have completed all the alphabets of German. We have written it in English, then we have written it in German. So let's revise once more from the starting. Yeah. So for A, it's a. For B, it's bay. For C, it's say. For D, it's day. For E, it's, sorry, I have not shown you the E one. For E, it's A. For F, it's F, EFF. For G, it's gay. For H, it's ha. For I, it's eh, means EEH. Then for J, it's yacht. For K, it's ka. For L, it's L, EL. For M, it's M. For N, it's N, EN. For O, it's similar as that of English O. For P, it's pay. For Q, it's Q, ku. It's not Q, it's ku. For R, it's er. For S is S. For T, it's T. For U, it's U. For V, it's fo. For W is way. For X is X. For Y is ypsilon. For Z is dissect. So this was all about the alphabets of German. Hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thank you.